Hello teachers, I teach how learning can be more engaging and fun for kindergarten kids using animations to teach the concepts like numbers, addition, subtractions, phonics, sight words, etc. In this video, I'm going to show you the concept more or less. More or less. Here is a red apple and here is a green apple. But where are these apples? Let's see. Red apples are more or the green apples are more? Let's start counting. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 red apples. And let's count the green apples now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 6 red apples and 8 green apples. So which are more? Yes, green apples are more and red apples are less. Hello, I'm Charumati Desai from Creative Teaching to Build Creative Minds. Are you interested in learning how to create such concepts in PowerPoint? Then watch my upcoming videos and check out the Google form in the description box to know the details of my upcoming workshop. And do not forget to fill in the Google form to register. This is online training for nursery and pre-primary teachers. Join me on this learning journey and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.